Hi, morning guys, it's Paul here from VIEZU and Paramount, and I want to play the game of what's in the workshop today. So let me give you a little tour around. It's well and truly fully busy at the moment. First of all, we have this lovely little Porsche Boxster in for a performance remap. Nice and easy to tune these. They're done through the KESS3. It's quite a quick upload, but the performance gains are really nice. We have a nice gain in torque, which makes these little Porsches really come alive. Something else that I'm a big fan of, Volkswagen Transporter here. Come around and take a quick look at this. Matt's just tuning this one for performance again. Lovely set of cabin seats in these vehicles. It's a bit of a cruiser, this, really nice. And again, they respond really well to the tuning. Again, been tuned with the Alientech KESS3. Come this way, mind the floor, it's a little bit slippy. It's been very wet outside. Got this very nice F-Type in for performance 200 cell cats. With the performance cats that we fit, they are EC certified, so you see these lovely big matrices which are 200 cell cats, which allow the gas flow to flow through the exhaust system to give a nice increase in power and torque, and most importantly still meet European emissions. Come this way, Paul, speaking to the cameraman, mind the cats. Floor is a little slippy, and this is a really lovely job. It's been in with us for about a week or so now. It's a Defender. They do get a little bit tired as they get older. The chassis are quite prone to rusting. I don't know if you can just join me underneath and have a little look. It's not only the chassis rusted on this particular vehicle, but the body is quite rusty too, so we're having to change, as well as the full chassis, this aluminium panel where the seats mount to, so a safety item, very important. But quite a lot of prep going on. This will all be undersealed when it's finished. As each component comes off, we are sandblasting the components. Some have been undersealed, some have been sent off for powder coating, and you'll see the chassis, which is brand new galvanized chassis, sitting here waiting to be fitted. Hopefully the body and the chassis will come together next week. But just take a look at some of these arms that we've had powder coated. Customer's choice in red, going to stick out like a sore thumb, which I think is going to be quite a nice thing, certainly slightly unusual. So we've started to build the chassis up here now. The axles are going in, and hopefully, all being well, the axle, body and engine would all come together next week. So as you can see, workshop is very busy as always. You know where we are, info@viezu.com if you've got any questions at all. If you're looking for either restoration, classic car exhaust systems, or you've got something that's much newer that needs tuning, get in contact.